Good morning, everyone. So you know what is your syllabus for your upcoming examination. So first chapter 9 and 10, that is reproduction in animals and reaching the age of adolescence. Okay, these two chapters included in your upcoming examination. Chapter 9, reproduction in animal and chapter 10, okay. So this one is your two chapter reaching the age of adolescence. Okay, so we will discuss the different type of question from these two chapters today. Revise these two chapters. I will revise very short type or MCQ type question will coming in your upcoming examination, maybe 20 marks or 25 marks maximum. Okay, so first of all tell me, what is the reproduction? What is the reproduction? Tell me. Anyone? What is the definition of reproduction? Anyone? The process of giving birth of new ones, that is the known as the reproduction. The process of giving birth of the new ones from the parents, that is this process is known as the reproduction. The types of the reproduction, there are how many types of reproduction is present? Types of reproduction. Can you hear me everyone clearly? Audrey, Oindrila, Sneha, can you hear me? Chandranath, Roshni, hello? Hello, can you hear me everyone? I am audible to everyone, can you hear me? Please give me response, let me know can you hear me or not. Okay. First of all, tell me what is the types of the reproduction. Yes, asexual and sexual reproduction. Yes, thank you very much everyone. How many parents are involved in the asexual reproduction? Anyone? How many parents are involved in the asexual reproduction? Wrong, Chandranath. Yes, one parents are involved in the asexual reproduction. What is sperm? What is sperm? Anyone? Yes, male gamete that is produced from the testes. Yes, male gamete released from the testes. Tell me the definition of the sexual reproduction. Tell me the definition of the sexual reproduction. Yes, fusion of male and female gamete. No, fusion of male and female gamete is not known as the sexual reproduction. It's beginning from the fusion of male and female gametes, the process of the reproduction. The fusion of male and female gamete is known as the fertilization. Yes, and fusion of male and female gametes occurs in the new universe. Thank you, Sneha, Indrila. Tell me the name of the cell that produced from the female ovary. Tell me the name of the cell that produced from the female ovary. Yes, ovum. Ovum or egg. Tell me the name of the cell that produced after fertilization. What is the result of the fertilization, or tell me the name of the cell which is produced after fertilization. Yes, zygote. What is the full form of IVF? What is the full form of IVF? Yes, in vitro fertilization. Thank you everyone. Give me one example of the viviparous animals. Give me one example of viviparous animals. Yes, humans. What is fetus? Anyone? What is fetus? Remember the definition of the embryo and fetus, everyone. What is fetus? Yes, the stage of embryo in which all body parts can be identified after the stage of embryo. Thank you. What is metamorphosis? What is metamorphosis? No, Sneha, wrong. Process is right, but the definition is wrong. Young ones change into adult, that also occurs in the human's body. But what is the difference between the normal reproduction and normal and metamorphosis? Yes, total transformation that present in the larval stage that never present in the adult stage. It's total drastic change occurs. Human baby are the same with the adult, which present in the what body parts present in the baby stage that is obviously present in the adult stage. But in the case of the butterfly, frog, they are total larval stage, and when they became adult, they are totally different. All things can be changed. Yes. Thank you, Sneha. No problem. Give me one example of the metamorphic animals. One example of metamorphic animal. Anyone? Yes. Frog, butterfly, anything. Tell me the name of the process by which hydra do their asexual reproduction. Tell me the name of the process by which hydra can do their asexual reproduction. Yes, budding. Thank you, Sneha. What is binary fission? What is binary fission? Yes, thank you everyone. Tell me the name of the hormone which is produced from the pancreas and adrenal gland. Tell me the name of the hormones which is produced from the pancreas and adrenal glands. And yes, insulin and adrenaline. Thank you. How many pairs of chromosomes are present in a human cell? How many pairs of chromosomes are present in a human cell? Yes. Okay, this type of question will come in your upcoming examination. Revise these two chapters very carefully, and question obviously will come from your inside. If you read this chapter thoroughly, you can get your answer. Okay. Thank you very much everyone. Bye everyone.